In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add Google Drive files to your Notion workspace, creating a more integrated and efficient way to manage your resources. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Simply type in notion.so in the address bar to navigate to the Notion homepage. Once you're there, log into your workspace using your credentials. If this is your first time logging in or you've recently cleared your browser's cache, remember you'll need to input your details anew. Next, locate and open the specific page in your Notion workspace where you plan on adding your Google Drive files. This could be a project you're collaborating on, a personal planner, or any workspace section that requires easy access to your Google Documents or spreadsheets. Once you're on the desired page, click anywhere on the page to activate the editing options. A handy tip here is to type a slash or directly into the page. This will open up a quick access menu. If you're familiar with using commands, you'll find this process intuitive and significantly more efficient for navigation. In the menu that appears, you'll want to look for the Google Drive options. You can either scroll through the list or use the search feature in the menu by typing in Google Drive. Here you'll see a few options. You can embed a Google Drive file, select via the Google Drive picker, or use the embed link feature. Go ahead and click on the Google Drive option. This action will trigger a pop-up on your screen, prompting you to connect your Google Drive. If this is your first time linking Google Drive with Notion, click on Connect, or you might see an option that says Connect Google Drive. Proceed by selecting the Google account you'd like to link. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're choosing the one associated with the files you're planning to use in Notion. After selecting the account, you'll need to grant Notion access to your Google Drive. Click Allow when prompted. This step is crucial as it facilitates the interaction between Notion and your Google Drive, ensuring your files are accessible without additional barriers. Once access is granted, you'll notice that your Google Drive files become visible within Notion. Simply scroll through your list or use the search functionality to find the exact file you wish to embed, select the desired file, and then click Select. And just like that, your chosen Google Drive file will appear seamlessly integrated into your Notion page. You can choose to display it as an embedded preview or just as a link, whichever suits your workflow better. This embedding not only helps in keeping all your resources consolidated, but also makes collaboration and personal management more streamlined and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this enhances your productivity in Notion.